Hey guys, it's Ben here, Benjamin Wao from the Beautiful Alliance of Shishas. Um, uh, it's a manifestation tips for all the entrepreneur out there. Okay. Um, uh, if you want to be successful in business and so forth, um, uh, actually I've learned this idea from the leader of opposition in Shishas. Mr. Evil Wonkalawan. So if you're hearing me saying his name a lot in my recording, but it's quite an historic moment in Seychelles, whereby his political party has been, I won't say struggling, but they've been fighting for freedom for about 30 years in Seychelles. So, and it's like I said before, it's a historic moment, and it's worth sharing this story to the world so that freedom stays part of our children. Like they'll know and learn what other people around the world did to bring joy to others. They know and learn, okay, how to live like humans, or like better being, I can say, okay, because we are divine nature, we are loving. In divine nature we are loving being, okay. So these examples, okay, like what I love about his approach is, or their approach is that they didn't do any coup d'etat like the party before. They didn't fight, like being violent. They encourage a lot of peace and democracy. So this is very important for generation coming, okay. And even like this generation, or like you listening to this video right now. So one of the idea that I got, you can use it in this business, okay, is you have to show your prospect that you can deliver, okay. Just like the leader of opposition, he supported his people, he wanted change, he wanted that betterment for the country. So you have to show your prospect that you can deliver in business, okay. You have to like keep on adding value to your prospect. You have to keep on even like now I'm doing coaching, I'm like over delivering the coaching value. Like one of the prospect, he signed up for email coaching, and I'm like sometimes we calling him video live on WhatsApp, okay. Or like I design some specific program that will help him and others better understand what I'm talking about, okay. So how can I say this, like show your prospect that you can deliver, because they, like if they came to you, they believe. Hello, I'm sounding like a politician. They believe, if they came to you, they believe that you can deliver, you can help them for something, somehow, okay. So you have to just keep on having patience, having believe that they are your prospect, that they will purchase from you, okay. You can even like affirm that business is booming right now, I'm making 12 or more sales per day and so forth, okay. But the key thing, just like the leader of opposition, not the leader now, now, but the president of the Seychelles just sorry. I'm thinking about myself here. That's like the president of the country, Seychelles, Mr. President Reverend Kalawan, added value, okay. For 30 years he's been like in the opposition party, okay. You also, I'm not saying you have to do it 30 years, but like how can I say, it all depends on the specific situation. If you're having a business, let's say you're doing it part-time, okay, so keep on adding value. It's not a matter of years, it's a matter of like now. Okay, it's a matter of like you right now, what you can do to elevate your prospect, to bring value for them, even for free. Especially nowadays with social media. I won't say there's a lot of competitors, but it's a matter of like it's 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 not a matter of you competing with anyone else. It's a matter of like you going, being the greater version of you, so that you can serve your targeted audience. You getting me right now? It's a matter of you going, become the better version of you, the greater version, which I teach more in our manifestation coaching, and in our even like in our coaching program there, like we share this app in details or in advance, this approach that I'm sharing with you right now, how you can better connect with your prospect, what are they looking for, or like it's like a dance, okay, that you are dancing, salsa or something with your prospect. Okay, so again, to summarize, keep in mind that it is important, like, how can I say it, not it is important, but like literally over deliver, okay, to your prospect. Okay, deliver, add value to them. Okay, show them that you can serve them. Okay, they can choose you as the president or the boss of your country, or your company. Okay, show them that you qualify. Okay, just like marriage, your spouse choose you because you prove to her that you can be a better husband, you can be a better, maybe before you were a boyfriend, but you can be a husband. Okay, so it's the same before the prospect becomes uh, uh, converts into sale. Okay, you have to like, it's in our in my social media program I teach. Okay, that you have to like draw them in. Okay, you have to first draw them in. Okay, drive in traffic, and then from the traffic you have to convert the traffic. Okay, so it's just a matter of like now for them to shift to the other side, just like being a boyfriend into a husband. Okay, from a relationship into a serious committed one. Okay, so same with business, from being a prospect into a customer. Okay, so you have to keep on, in your mind, you have to keep on seeing them as a customer. Treat them like a customer that you desire. Let's say you want a million customer or a million YouTuber or something. Okay, yeah, YouTube subscriber. You treat your current subscriber that you're like as if you already have a million YouTube subscribers. Okay, so the content that you're giving the current the your current YouTube subscribers. Okay, it's for the million one. Okay, but it's not, how can I say, it's not just the million, but it's a matter of like giving value. Okay, giving the value as if they were the same as the customer. However, like there's some marketing approach that you can use, but it's all a matter of like you already being at the other side, even though like the customer or the prospect, they are already at the leads or whatever you want to call. Okay, on the this is just that this is just marketing term that I'm using. Okay, I respect everyone. So if even though like the customer, how can I say it? The prospect are already seeing themselves at the other side, on the left side. Okay, per se, but they will see you because you are thinking of them as your customer. They will choose you to be to go further in relationship or in business with. Okay, so same in networking. Let's say there's some people that you want to network. Wow, I'm very firing here right now. Same in networking. Okay, the beauty about networking is it opens opportunities to you. Okay, um, uh, I'm thinking about some of the next networking experience here, or my story. like all the time when as the president of the Seychelles Chess Federation, not the country yet. Yeah, as the president of the Seychelles Chess Federation, all the time when we go overseas, I bring like souvenirs from Seychelles. I give to the leaders or future sponsors or sponsors. Like I treat them like my friend. Okay, so networking it's all just a matter of like friendship. Okay, so I bring souvenirs. You ask them how are they. You show them that you care for them. Okay, so and without like those souvenirs or those gifts, I don't expect anything in return. But just because they are happy. You come from a beautiful country, you bring those souvenirs. They are happy, and when you bring those souvenirs, okay, or when I gave them those souvenirs, those gifts, or even like some they come to my country, like I remember one of my friend, he told me like an opportunity, okay, that we can help our federation, or actually many times we get just because of me not just bringing souvenirs but giving them value, giving like showing them that you care, or being there for them, or supporting them. Okay, one way or another, you just build up this relationship, and it keep on opening doors for me, my federation, okay, my players. Okay, so we that's and when a lot of people saw me, like you can even like see in my Facebook pictures, there's a lot of me pictures of me traveling. Like there were time that like a lot of time in the beginning, like sometimes, how can I say it? There were time like I was traveling a lot, basically for free. Okay, hotel paid for, flight paid for, first class flight. I remember like I've been to Macau. Like the Las Vegas of Asia. Where else? That was like first class trip. There's like, it's not just like the first class, but like some experience. Like I went to Delhi, Taj Mahal, or where's the living stone there. Sorry. I saw another one of the wonders of the world there. Victoria Falls. Okay, all these places, all of those, like those wonderful experience came because of relationship, or and not all, but like, and I build up relationship. Okay, and from those relationship that I build, you can say past tense, resulted in opportunities. Okay, or like you can say in sales. Okay, or in manifesting wealth. Okay, so keep that in mind. Be loving. Okay, in my wealth manifestation program, I encourage you or share with you how you can be more loving and so forth. So, and even our coaching, okay, because you get access to this, in my coaching you get access to the wealth manifestation program. You don't have to buy it over again. Okay, so yeah, reach out to me for some coaching, to learn more about these materials or empowerment, so that I can help you also be the greater version of you. So thank you for listening. I'm Benjamin Wao from the beautiful islands of Seychelles. Bye for now. Ciao. Guys, it's Ben here, Benjamin Wao from the beautiful islands of Seychelles. I know you love this video. This video is sponsored to you by Manifest Your Future Now Coaching Company. That's right, Manifest Your Future Now Coaching Company. And if you want help with your manifestation, reach out to me or one of our coach. Will help you better manifest your future, any of your dreams, right here, right now. In simple steps. and you can join our Facebook group, Manifest Your Future. Now on Facebook, you can see the simple steps we go through to help you manifest your future in the file section there at in our Facebook group, Manifest Your Future. Now, thank you. Bye for now. Ciao.